Video 214, next power 2. Let's look at the logic. Here's our next power 2 function. It takes an unsigned 32-bit integer. Make sure it's actually an unsigned 32-bit integer here. Here are the variables we need: the iterator index, the bit index, and the bit. We're going to go through all 32 bits, 0 to 31 inclusive. We're going to extract the current bit index we're on. It should be either a 0 or a 1, otherwise we're going to throw an error. If it is a set bit, we're going to keep track of that last set bit index, and if the last set bit index is 31, we're going to throw an error because the next power of 2 would overflow in our integer. The output power 2 is going to be the last bit that was set plus 1. So here's the last bit that was set. We're going to go one more over, and we're going to set that bit. So we start with the 1, and we just shift it into place, and then we right shift by 0 to make sure this is interpreted as unsigned logic, and then we just output it. That is all there is to it. We're going to test this as well right above the client front-end initialization. We're going to test it in both the client and server environment. So if these tests fail, we will crash the server because we want to know when we fail, because fail fast. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You've been on this playlist. You can get the source code for this video here. You can go here to email me, like, subscribe, send coffee in the mail.